Goodbye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. Go to sleep now. Go to sleep, my little girl. Somebody's got hiccups. Hiccups. Go to sleep. Yes, you don't stop hiccuping. Is she going to stop? I don't know. Come on. That's like 10 minutes of hiccuping. She's actually picking up her head right now. I'm trying to let it rest in my palm, and she's not resting.